I got some concerns on my channel lately that I've been showing too many deer videos and elk videos and moose videos, and we need to start talking a little bit more about vinyl. So today I'm very excited to announce the Beach Boys, originally released in May 16th, 1966. Pet Sounds by the Beach Boys, a fantastic album. Some of the best harmonics in rock and roll history right here. Just a fantastic album. So today is more of a review on which one I liked better, which vinyl I thought was better. There's a couple different reissues happening for the 60th anniversary. So this is the one-step vinyl. This is a 180 gram mastering by Chris Bellman at Bernie Grundman's studio. So this is pretty sweet copy. This is the one-step process too. I guess original tapes, original mastering. Very excited. Is it just a waste of money, or is it actually the best sounding pressing I've ever heard? Also, we have the Vinylphyle copy too. This was put out by Joe Nero Hernandez, I believe. Yeah. And this is, again, all analog mastering, sterling sound, 188 gram weight vinyl. Comes with some inserts too as well. I'll go ahead and unbox both of these. And I'm also going to listen to both of them and let you know which one I find better. I'm going to go ahead and do all the hard work for you and listen to 3 different copies of Pet Sounds. Actually, more than that, I have quite a few different copies. My girlfriend discovered how many copies I've purchased, but I'm going to find the best copy and let you know which one I think is personally the best sounding. So stay tuned. Fun facts about Pet Sounds. Was originally inspired by the Beatles' album Rubber Soul. Brian Wilson was inspired by Rubber Soul, so this was an album that he wanted. You listen all the way through, it's a story, it makes sense, it's a whole album, it's a whole masterpiece altogether. So that's pretty exciting that Rubber Soul inspired this puppy right here. This was, when it first came out, when Pet Sounds first came out, it was not an immediate hit in the US actually. So it took some time, but then when it did, overall it became, I guess many listeners wanted the more surf sound, so this is what they got instead. So it took some time for this album to kind of pick up some steam, but once it did, Pet Sounds. In 1965, Brian Wilson had stopped mainly, he mainly was focusing on just creating the music. So this was a Brian Wilson pretty much solo project in the Wrecking Crew coming together making this. Brian Wilson co-wrote and wrote every track on this album. He also produced it. Definitely some of the best harmonics in rock and roll history. So we're gonna go through and see which ones are the best. Okay, so I just got done listening to the mono version. This mono version. There's also a stereo version on this one. So there's two different albums on here. We have the stereo and the mono. This one's just the mono pressing. Oh my goodness, this guy sold out already. If you want the copy, this is the copy down. It's so refreshing. It's so good. It's yeah, you can just definitely tell the difference by listening to this one. This one's still great. So Joe Hernandez version is still really exceptional. Still a really exceptional album. This is just the spacing. It's like every instrument has so much space between each sound. The percussion on this album alone, just it's amazing. I can't describe the noises. There's so many little noises on this album that you need to hear. And again, you pick it up on this one too. This one sounds fantastic, sounds great. The stereo version is great to have, but if it comes down to the best version I've heard, definitely this guy right here. The DSS one-step mastering by Chris Bellman. Holy crap. The Grunman Studios. This puppy right here, if you're looking for, you want to immerse yourself in pet sounds, cry, hear every word. Yeah, this is the copy to get. So hopefully I did pretty good on this review, but go ahead and subscribe if you want to hear more about records. Just have fun making these, and stay tuned for more vinyls.